Greetings and a warm welcome to everyone joining us from the various concerns of the digital realm. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Bridging the Gap, how Texila American University's Information Technology Program addresses industrial needs. So I'm glad to introduce the speaker of the day, Mr. Towani, IT specialist, Zambia. So over to you, Towani.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for this chance and time to interact with everyone. And today on our webinar topic, we'll be looking at bridging the gap and how Texila American University Information Technology Program addresses the industrial needs. Okay. Of course, I've been introduced. My name is Mr. Kawonga, the IT lecturer at Texila American University, Zambia University. So allow me to go to take you through the contents of my presentation. I hope you're able to see what is on my screen. Okay, so under the contents, we look at the curriculum overview, look at the insight into the comprehensive curriculum tailored to the industry requirements. Also look at the skills development. We look at, we discuss in depth concerning the critical skills that are needed, especially in today's IT landscape. And then we also look at how our programs are helping developing these critical skills. Okay. Then we'll look at the real-world applications, how the theoretical knowledge is applied in practical settings. So now, under real applications, we'll look at examples, real examples here in Zambia specifically, how they are applied. Then second, lastly, we'll look at career opportunities. Under career opportunities, we'll explore the various career pathways available to our graduates of our IT programs. Then lastly, we'll look at the session of the interactive session of question and answers, where the audience will come through and then ask any questions based on their area of concerns and needs. Okay, so let's get started. Now, under the curriculum overview, we have the following are the programs that are offered by Texila American University, Zambia. And we have Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. We have Bachelor of Science in Digital Forensics. We have Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity. We have Bachelor of Science in Software Development. We have Bachelor of Science in Data House and Warehousing. And we also have Bachelor of Science in Artificial Intelligence. Now, allow me to explain how each of these bachelor's programs are in brief, and then I'll explain furthermore. So I'll start with the first one, which is the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Now, when you look at this program, students are equipped with a strong foundation in computing, networking, as well as software development. So looking at this curriculum, it's specifically designed to meet the industry standards, focusing on areas such as system analysis, database management, cybersecurity, cloud computing, etc., etc. So the graduates of this program are prepared for roles in information technology management, networking administration, as well as software development. So that's the program for the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. The second program that is being offered, it's Bachelor of Science in Digital Forensics. Now, when you look at this one, it's simply a subset of cybersecurity. So now this program is tailored to the growing demand for cybersecurity experts in digital investigation. All right. Now, this curriculum covers forensic tools and techniques. It also covers cybercrime investigation, of course, with a component of ethical hacking. Then we have the legal frameworks as well. So students are trained to recover and analyze data from digital devices, preparing them for careers in law enforcement, corporate security, as well as cybersecurity firms. Okay, the next program which is being offered is the Bachelor of Science in Software Development. Now, when you look at this component, or rather the program itself, this program focuses on so much on software engineering principles. where we look at coding languages, application development. And when you look at the curriculum itself, it includes courses on, for example, object-oriented programming. We have software testing, agile methodology. We also have user experience design, quite a few. So the graduates in this program are equipped to develop software solutions for various industries with potential roles in software engineering, application development, as well as system architecture. Okay. The fourth program that is being offered is a Bachelor of Cybersecurity, Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity. Now, if you look at the current trends or the era in which we are in, these programs are highly on demand, and there's a projection that in the next 30 years or by 2030 and beyond, these programs will be on high demand because we have very few skilled personnel in these fields. Okay. And in this era we are in the fourth industrial revolution era, where we talk of artificial intelligence, where we're looking at Internet of Things, automation, of course, cybersecurity, robotics, etc., etc. And there is need for skilled personnel in this field. And as a country itself, we have, of course, it's an ongoing process. So we need skilled personnel in these fields. And when you look at the program of Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity, this program addresses critical need for cybersecurity personnel, especially in Zambia. When you look at the cyber ecosystem in Zambia, right? We need people, or rather personnel, in this field. So the curriculum emphasizes on risk management, network security, cryptography, incident response. As a result, students gain hands-on experience in protecting systems from cyber threats, making them ideal candidates for roles in information security, cyber defense, as well as compliance. Okay. The fifth program, which is being offered, is Bachelor of Science in Artificial Intelligence. Like I mentioned earlier, the era we're in, it's about artificial intelligence. And we know that it has brought so much good to mankind, and it has revolutionized almost every sector that is here in Zambia. Talk of the health sector, find that artificial intelligence plays an important role. To talk of the education sector, artificial intelligence plays a very significant role. Talk of the mining sector, the transportation, the energy sector, the agriculture sector. All of these have used the component of artificial intelligence in one way or the other. So when you look at the program of Bachelor of Science in Artificial Intelligence, this program delves into the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence, an ongoing process. Okay, and it's changing, and a lot is being undertaken right now. Okay, which is, of course, I can't say it so much, but I'll just summarize as part of it. So the curriculum covers machine learning, it covers neural networks, natural language processing, of robotics. Okay, and students are trained to develop intelligent systems and applications, preparing them for careers in intelligence development, data science, as well as robotics engineering. Then the sixth program that is being offered, we have Bachelor of Science in Data Management and Warehousing. Now, when you look at this program is designed for those interested in organization, storage, and analysis of large data sets. Now, when you look at the business ecosystem currently, okay, the core of it all comes back to data itself. There's a saying, he who owns data controls the world. So at the center of this business ecosystem is data itself. So this program, like I've highlighted, it looks at the organization and storage of analysis of large data sets, or data itself, basically. So the curriculum itself includes courses on data warehousing, database management, talk of data, big data, analytics, and business intelligence itself. So graduates are prepared to manage data infrastructure and analyze data trends, making them valuable assets in the industry that rely on data-driven decision making. Okay. Now, the next thing that we're going to look at is we're going to look at skills development. It's always important on skills development, especially in such a time as this. Most of the times I emphasize or rather encourage my students in 4 areas. And these 4 areas is about personal development, self-development, skills development, and capacity building in your area of interest. Now, when I mention of the area of interest, this is just based on the previous 6 programs that I highlighted. Okay. Now, under skills development, let's look at the critical skills in today's IT landscape, especially here in Zambia. Now, the first thing that is important, that is of paramount importance as an IT expert, is technical proficiency. Now, when you look at the backbone of any IT profession, it's basically about strong technical skills that includes coding, systems management, as well as network security. So as technology advances, professionals must stay updated on the latest tools and practice to maintain a competitive edge. Okay. And secondly, our programs offer extensive hands-on training in programming languages. Of course, when you look at programming languages, there are several of them. We have C++, we have Python, we have PHP, we have Java, Ruby's on Rails, etc., etc. So these are some of the programming languages. Then we also look at network management, and we look at some cybersecurity protocols. So all these courses are updated regularly to include the latest development, including cloud computing, artificial intelligence, as well as data analytics. Okay. The second critical skills that is required as an IT expert is the aspect of problem solving and analytical thinking. Now, the ability to troubleshoot and solve complex issues is very essential in IT. So professionals need to approach problems methodologically. Okay, that is whether debugging code, securing a network, or optimizing a database. Okay. The other thing that I can highlight is that when you look at our curriculum, it emphasizes so much on analytical thinking through practical labs. Okay, we have a state-of-the-art laboratory, of course, with skilled personnel, and then we also have case studies and reward projects. So students are challenged to devise innovative solutions to current industry problems, enhancing their critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Thirdly, we look at the aspect of cybersecurity awareness. As we are aware that in this era, we are in this digital age where we rely heavily so much on IT infrastructure, such as the cloud or any of the platforms that are available. So it's of paramount emphasis or importance that cybersecurity emphasis awareness is very important. Now, with the increasing cyber threats, there is need for a strong understanding of cybersecurity measures, which is critical. So as IT professionals, okay, it's also important that we must safeguard the data itself, prevent breaches, and ensure that there is system integrity. Okay, so for this reason, the program which I mentioned earlier, which is Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity program, focus specifically on this area. But all programs incorporate the cybersecurity principles. So students learn to identify vulnerabilities, implement security protocols, as well as respond to security incidents effectively. The fourth critical skill is that there is need for communication and collaboration. Now, when you look at communication, it's actually the life flow of an organization, okay? Because you're able to share ideas, able to share the goals, objectives, etc. So under this critical skill, IT professionals must work across different departments and communicate the technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders. And as I mentioned, when you look at IT, these IT programs, they are technical programs. Okay. As a result, as they interact with different departments, they need to convey or share the concepts to anyone who's a non-technical expert. And for this reason, effective communication ensures that the project success and team collaboration is enhanced. And when you look at our programs, it includes courses on technical writing skills, project management, as well as teamwork. So students are encouraged to work in groups and engage in group projects and presentations to develop their communication skills, ensuring that they can articulate complex ideas clearly and well in their respective teams. The fifth critical skill is adaptability and continuous learning. So when you look at the IT landscape, it's dynamic and diverse, with new technologies emerging rapidly. So professionals must be adaptable and committed to uh, lifelong learning to remain relevant, especially in the area of interest. Now, when you look at the area of interest, they are different based on the programs they have chosen. So we mentioned of Bachelor of Science in IT, Bachelor of Science in Digital Forensics, Cybersecurity, Software Development, Artificial Intelligence, etc. So it's very important that prof professionals are adaptable to this lifelong learning so that they can become relevant, so that they don't become obsolete. And one of the things that I normally emphasize or encourage my students is to be always studious. Okay. And there's a saying which I once read in one of the books to say, the moment you stop learning, that's the time you begin to die or you grow old. So you only become younger continuously by learning every day or throughout your lifetime. So it's very important. And when you look at our curriculum, it encourages adaptability through exposure to diverse technologies and methodologies. So we also offer opportunities for certifications and continuing education, ensuring that the graduates are well prepared to evolve the industry itself. Okay. The sixth critical skill is the ethical responsibility. Now, as technology becomes more integrated into society, ethical considerations in IT are increasingly important. So professionals must be aware of ethical implications of their work, from data privacy to AI usage. So when you look at ethical considerations, they are woven into all our programs. So courses discuss the societal impact of technology. We have the data privacy laws, okay, and the ethical use of artificial intelligence, and thereby preparing students to make responsible decisions in their career. Okay. Now let's look at some of the real-world applications under the program of information or Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. So students learn about network architecture, database management, as well as cloud computing. Okay, so these are not limited to the ones I've mentioned above. There are several. So in the real world setting, our graduates may work in IT departments where they can manage an organization's entire IT infrastructure. So they can apply their knowledge to maintain network security, optimize cloud storage solutions, ensure seamless data management, enabling businesses to operate efficiently and securely. So the skills that are acquired can be applied in different sectors. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, the different sectors include talk of the energy sector, the health sector, the education sector, the mining sector, and others as well. So these are some of the applications. Okay, that is if they choose to pursue a program in IT. Okay, and they'll be able to manage database management. They'll be able to manage database management systems. For example, I'll give an example of the financial sector where they hold financial transactions. So the personnel behind that are basically students of IT, or rather graduates or students of IT who have acquired these skills. Okay. For digital forensics, that is Bachelor of Science in Digital Forensics, of course, the courses cover cybercrime investigation, forensic analysis tools, and the legal aspect of digital evidence. So our graduates are able to apply that knowledge by working as digital forensic analysis, where they're able to recover deleted data, they're able to trace cyber attacks, they're able to prepare forensic reports for legal cases. Okay. And their work is critical, especially in the law enforcement agencies as well as cybersecurity firms, where they help solve crimes and prevent future attacks. The next one is software development, where students who study different programming languages, okay, they'll look at software design patterns, so look at development methodologies and agile. Okay, now industry discover that software developers use these skills to design, code, test new software applications, as well as maintaining them. Okay, so they work on everything from mobile application to large-scale enterprise systems, ensuring that the software is user-friendly, efficient, and also it meets the client's needs. Okay, so for those that are biased towards software development, these are some of the applications which are there. Okay. The other one is based on a program which is cybersecurity. So under cybersecurity, students learn about risk assessment, encryption, as well as some cybersecurity frameworks. So these cybersecurity professionals simply apply this knowledge by implementing security measures to protect an organization digital assets. They might as well as develop intrusion detection systems, conduct security audits, and respond to cyber threats in real time to safeguard the sensitive information. Okay, then when we look at the program of Bachelor of Science in Artificial Intelligence, okay, so we look at the theoretical knowledge itself. So under the theoretical knowledge, the curriculum covers machine learning algorithms, look at neural networks, natural language processing, and some of the practical application which the graduates will use in various industries, such as developing intelligent systems that can predict market trends, automate customer service with chatbots, or improve healthcare through diagnostic AI tools. So their work pushes the boundaries of technology, creating solutions that enhance productivity as well as decision making. Okay. Then we have the program of Bachelor of Science in Data Management and Warehousing. Of course, the theoretical knowledge enables students to explore the data architecture, warehousing solutions, as well as the big data analytics. So you look at the practical applications, data management professionals will apply their knowledge by designing and maintaining data warehouses, ensuring that large data sets are stored efficiently and can be accessed quickly. So they work on data analysis projects that provide businesses with actionable insights, helping them make data-driven decisions that improve professional, or rather performance, as well as profitability. Okay. Now, some of the career opportunities, let's look at some of the career opportunities. So as I've highlighted in bold, these are some of the career opportunities. We're not saying we're limited to these, they are beyond this, but these are some of them which I guess highlighted or selected. Okay, so when you look at the program of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, once you complete the program, you can work as an IT manager. And as an IT manager, you'll be overseeing and coordinating an organization's IT infrastructure, which includes hardware, software, and networking systems. So you find that in every organization, there is an IT department. So once you complete the program as a graduate, you can work as an IT manager, okay, where you oversee, of course, coordinate an organization's IT infrastructure. Okay. The other career under Bachelor of Science in Information Technology is you can become a network administrator. Okay, so you find that in every organization, like I said, there's an IT department that is responsible to coordinate or oversee the organization infrastructure. There's the aspect of network. Now, under the network, as a network administrator, you manage and support an organization's local and as well as wide area networks, ensuring that it has optimal performance and security. Okay. The other career that can get is you can become a systems analyst. Okay. As a system analysis, you analyze and design technology solutions to meet an organization's business needs, improving efficiency as well as productivity. Okay. You can also become a cloud solutions architect. So as a cloud solutions architect, you design and manage cloud computing architecture, ensuring that the applications are scalable, reliable, as well as they are secure. Okay. And then let's look at the career opportunities for those that choose a program in the Bachelor of Science in Digital Forensics. Okay, so once you complete this program as a graduate, you can become a digital forensic analyst. Now, as a digital forensic analyst, you conduct investigations to retrieve and analyze data from digital devices and often work closely with the law enforcement agency. Okay, and the other career opportunity that to be there, you'll be a cybercrime investigator. So as a cybercrime investigator, you specialize in investigating crimes involving digital evidence such as fraud, hacking, as well as intellectual property theft. Okay. The other career opportunity which is available as a graduate in Bachelor of Science in Digital Forensic, you become an information security analysis. So as an information security analysis, your role is to protect an organization from cyber threats by implementing security measures and investigating breaches. Okay, and you can also become a forensic consultant. Okay, you can become a forensic consultant by providing expert in digital forensics for legal cases, helping attorneys understand and use digital evidence in the legal systems or the court systems. Okay. The third one is under the program of Bachelor of Science in Software Development. Once you graduate or as a graduate, there are so many areas of opportunities that may come your way. And one of it is you can become a software engineer. As a software engineer, you rather design, develop, and maintain software applications. Okay. Focusing on the user requirements and system functionality. Okay, so you can choose that, or you can become an application developer. Now, as an application developer, your responsibility will be to create applications for various platforms, including mobile, web, and desktop environments, ensuring a seamless user experience. Okay, or you can become a DevOps engineer, where you bridge the gap between development and operations, automating processes, ensuring continuous integration and delivery, okay, which is the CI and CD, continuous integration as well as delivery. You can also become a quality assurance tester, okay, once you graduate of this program of Bachelor of Science in Software Development. So you'll be able to test software to identify bugs and ensure that the application must meet the quality standard before its release. Okay. The other career opportunity for those that choose to pursue a program in Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity. So as a graduate, you can become a cybersecurity analyst. So as a cybersecurity analyst, you monitor and protect an organization's systems from cyber threats, conducting vulnerability assessments, as well as implementing security measures. Okay, if you do not want to choose that as a career, you can also become a penetration tester, or we call them ethical hacker. So what you'll be doing is basically you simulate cyber attacks to identify and fix security weaknesses in an organization system. Okay. You can also become a security architect, where you be designing and implementing secure systems and networks, thereby establishing policies and procedures to protect against cyber threats. Then you can also become an incident responder. Now, as an incident responder, okay, you will lead the responses to cybersecurity incidents, mitigating damage, as well as conducting forensic analysis to prevent future attacks. Okay. Then for the program of Bachelor of Science in Artificial Intelligence, the following are some of the career opportunities. You can become an AI engineer. So as an AI engineer, you'll be developing and deploying AI models and systems, working on projects such as machine learning, algorithms, okay, predictive analytics, as well as natural language processing. Okay, so the other opportunity that is available for you is that you can become a data scientist. Okay, so as a data scientist, you'll be analyzing and interpreting complex data to help organizations make informed decisions, often using machine learning techniques. Okay, not only that, you can also become a robotics engineer. Okay, so as a robotics engineer, you can design and build robotic systems, integrating AI to enhance automation and efficiency in various industries. Okay, then you can also become an AI research scientist. Now, as an AI research scientist, you'll be able to conduct cutting-edge research in artificial intelligence, contributing to advancements in areas like deep learning as well as computer vision. Okay. In another program of Bachelor of Science in Data Management and Warehousing, as graduates, these are some of the career opportunities as highlighted. You can become a data warehouse architecture or architect. You can design and maintain data warehouse systems that are able to store and manage large volumes of data and ensuring accessibility as well as security. You can become a business intelligence analyst. Now, when you become a business intelligence analyst, you'll be able to analyze data to provide actionable insights that inform business strategies, okay, often using data visualization tools. All right. You can also become a big data engineer, where your role, you just be handling large data sets, designing and optimizing systems for big data processing and analysis. Okay. You can also become a data governance manager, and your role is that you be overseeing data management policies, procedures, ensuring that it's high quality, there's data quality, compliance, and security within an organization. Okay, so this is what I had prepared for you um, for today's webinar. So for now, I'll allow questions that may come through, then I'll be able to answer at this particular time.
Okay, so by this we will end the session.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for joining us for the today's session.
Right.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a fruitful day.
Yeah, thank you. You too.
Okay. Bye.